So you've invested in an ESD floor, which is not only functional, but also has a nice clean look. The question is, how do you keep it that way? What causes damage to an ESD floor, you might ask? Well, one source of damage is wire shelving, which we all know is not meant to slide across the floor, but they often get pushed a little here and there, causing black marks, scrapes, and even cuts. Rust damage is even worse, caused by moisture or cleaning solutions. Even stainless steel feet can rust to the floor. Rust stains typically can only be partially removed, even with repeated cleaning. The stains often remain for years, leaving a trail of faded rust orange dots showing everywhere the shelving has been over the years. Yes, you can install rubber feet, but the rubber feet insulate your shelving from the ESD floor. With rubber feet, you should install grounding wires, which can be challenging if there's no ground nearby. Static Dynamics has developed a highly conductive floor glide called an ESD Foot. Compared with the standard floor leveler, the ESD Foot has a smooth bottom surface, more surface area on the floor, no sharp edges, and is non-metallic, making it much easier on your floor. The ESD Foot installs in just a few seconds to the leveling legs. What? No leveling legs? That's okay, because it can also be inserted directly into the post. When used with a good ESD floor, it can provide a ground from the posts to the ESD floor. For more information on cart grounding and shelf grounding, please see www.static-dynamics.com.